There is no clock to read, no numbers to understand, no app to set up, just a blue disc that shrinks as time passes. And somehow that one design decision changes everything for people whose brains struggle to feel time moving. So let me show you why OTs love the time timer. Hi, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at AskSAMIE, where we help make everyday tasks safer and easier using OT-approved tools. I love the timer because it's easy enough for even a 4-year-old to set for themselves, and because she can see that the time is going down without having to worry about counting the actual numbers or reading a digital clock, then she's easily able to see how much time she has left for playing on the tablet or to get dressed or whatever is necessary. And then the audible sound can be turned on or off. You get multiple options back here. So if the sound is too much, you don't have to do that. Or you can make it really loud or really quiet. Either way, it's a clear visual or auditory symbol that like this thing is done, which really helps make sure that we can transition from one thing to the next without it having to be somebody directly saying, time to go, time to stop, what are you doing? This makes it really easy. We even use this at our own house, and she's really good at using it because she likes to know when things are gonna begin and end without having to have me be the one yelling about, it's time to get out of the house. So she's really good at setting it herself and then following through with it after the time goes off. Not just for kids, makes it really easy for anybody who has trouble being able to read or recognize and feel how much time is left so you can make transitions. What makes the time timer so powerful as an OT recommendation is that it works across the lifespan and across diagnoses. Whether it's a child with ADHD who's struggling to finish homework, to an adult with autism navigating workplace transitions, to an older adult with dementia who needs a visual anchor to get through their morning routine. The patented disappearing disc makes the passage of time concrete and visible without requiring the ability to actually read a clock or understand numbers. It runs silently with an optional end of time alert. The 8-inch face is large enough to see from across the room, and it works on a tabletop, the wall, or a magnetic surface. So you can also choose the version that has a visual scheduler, which adds an activity card and a dry erase board for a complete routine planning system. This is FSA and HSA eligible, and 10% of every purchase funds home safety grants for older adults. So find it at AskSAMIE. It's linked below.